Biamuno sana bagusimwensi asumule muturigereti gaise kipinde kya Mukwa Times. Nagokire sana daero konyora the first Gubantero aspirant from Gusii region. The entire Gusii region nanya ko host on the Wednesday.
Oh, wow.
So nagoke this is the first time I'm hosting a Gubantero aspirant umuntu kubuli wa governor in Nyamira County. Mugambe.
Yes.
Biamuno sana sokere chinga kichago.
Asante.
Wekaga.
Biamuno kabisa. Yeah.
First of all, tigango te biamuno.
Asante.
Yerete nkwana ya muyoka ugancha wekaga.
Yeah.
That humility governor aspirants mbali kutwa.
Yeah.
Kero gene na aligeti MCA for 1 year.
MCA for 1 year.
Mwake interview. So have imagine so how much I feel kana wakira esimidimo.
Yeah.
Ene wanchana. Kenya sago sesen.
Yeah, asante. Ina gituko na service for humanity.
Talibo.
Na that's why kero kubuli bugambi. Igente katang kuikope oba available because yabantu nabo abuche kugambira.
Ndio, nabere iko. Tote kuchiale. Introduce antu bakumanya.
Abantu mwensi bari bakurigerera Mukwa Times nje samarite ngoro kwa Abednego Maina Nyakundi. Igonde kijana gya 31 years old. Na nkuru county ya Nyamira. No ekijana kamukia Nyamira county na nje igona achire gotebya abantu beto naki na atenenire kerogo.
Kyobo governor.
Ne kerogo na atenenire. Tari obwe MCA, tari obwe members of parliament. Tayoba senator. Nobo governor. Igonde to be manager.
Bisa.
Yeah.
Now muntu raga ni kumanya muno ainingo. Elito wate na Abednego Maina.
Yeah.
Alafu ngayuro Nyamira.
Nchendu wete not Mugrango. Not Mugrango constituency. Bukera ward abunongi boire. Na amenyere West Mugrango.
Oh, okay. Ngayo somete school history yaho primary secondary university.
Primary ni somete Nyabione primary.
Nyabione primary.
Ngasoma ngakora class 8 ku school ko Kaptembo.
Kaptembo.
Igotoka
Nakuru.
No. Kaptembo.
Kaptembo. Oh.
Yeah, those are two different words.
Okay.
Kaptembo na Kaptembo.
Okay.
So I think Kaptembo. So Kaptembo ere Bomet. Ere angena sakro kunna Litain. Ama samba imme. Ngagenda St. Francis Kikendo. Ngasoma Kororo ngade university, join Egerton University. I graduated Kororo. And I got a bachelor's of agricultural education and extension. Ajed. That's when we started politics university.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we were able to go in story musiko be chairman ya Egerton, and I don't think it will be difficult to come in.
For the first time, Egerton ya nyorto mugusika karo chairperson.
Karo chairperson.
Tigante venga, I was part of that process.
You were part of that process.
I'm happy that we met again.
Yeah. Yeah, we did that.
Because
university. We were able to in story musiko be chairperson ya Egerton after wakora negotiation in Karibo.
Tigango tevinga egende kike ko ngomo egende nga namatianya ko mwana.
Ngobare.
Ya kogera against all odds. Abagera bakatutama abagera abantu batama pi tukariga bayiko.
For the first time abayikoyo amushya asatoro muikoyo se university Egerton. Because yakabere westwa western. Abagusi abaluya abagere. For the first time tukamago change tukareta abakare on board barabange university batatu tagere into na mbenke lakini bakamawatubu asenje negotiations kitu akorete
bano
tukabara empe sigi karwano tukatabu musine ko gambera ondie abagere mate bagatungaine next year banyara bagushya bari week bari leaders gari namba mate ukwana namba mate gesongo tukarete sigi I remember sigi ya inge physical
empe ito amasuku
with that tukameki mugusha kabe
chairperson
abuga
ochonge namba ya in the future sometimes in the future muliki
so
that tumanyoro on board atutainga ya chita
nere
no muliki tia
ena mutete na bono ko wacha politics
so
aya Nyamira county bona tacheti ko imbono ngateba bona I will take over so rende kurugabu ngachanga genda United States now I have a bachelor's in nursing, I have a bachelor's in Ajed. I usually say I have another bachelor's in general science because I did all those classes which now to make as prerequisites for the medical school. So that's another bachelor's degree because it's a complex course. I did everything. So yes, that's why I'm here now. That's my education.
You are an American citizen?
Yeah.
A Kenyan American?
Yeah, Kenyan American, but I'm Kenyan.
You are Kenyan as well. You are both.
Yeah.
There by registration, here by birth.
Yeah.
That is it. Biamono sana. This is a good history.
Yeah.
One thing can encourage in education story yago.
Yeah.
osoma tukakura amachukulia bugambi
Yeah.
umwana onde bwensi ogosoma anyolenga kuira bugambi amateneranga ninjira bongosoma ngori school uze siasa nyolegasa.
Yeah.
That is important.
Yes.
Alafu kwa ile evijana ebingomuki bona omuntu atwara moyo nga ai it is possible.
Yes.
Abatogo swese resiye turana abantu.
Yeah.
Now bune kijana why kwa mwete ko sopo governor talibo senator MP MCA uzana enkende why did you set on the Bantero race?
A status quo maete ina tete ko sari that status quo and that perception na ki when you are at a certain age you go went ko MCA. In fact that's what people tell me inki utara ko chagira but that question I don't like it. I don't know naki I've never seen I think few people have done that like na wana karo MCA akaenda in and it's not a series. It's not hierarchical. It's not a procedural thing that then I class 1 bona class 2. It is not that way. Na ukweli ni
siasa na utole method yako.
Na uko ningi saine. Ninyare. Ninde capable kore binte byonsipi. Nchibono reason entangani. Nyamira nkuru. Since twatwarete devolution gakitu abere embarrassment to our people.
Amera mega tole.
Meta candidate kwan. On the point of team I think we a different opinion, but Nyamira to meten to abere secretary. Even the poorest or the worst counties didn't we compare na Nyamira.
Omete Nyamira onyora eri number 46 ase chi county now.
Na nende gomba.
Ita 46?
Yeah.
Or 47?
Nende gomba private na tubeke na mbili yake. Ono yasinya. So, Nyamira since the revolution, tuame gutwara leaders batayigokea bakoigino abantu baito in terms of development. Nende bama kubwata corruption. Yabere engerete. Bono because umete kero corrupt, kero bwate obune ne kibur corrupt gere oboibi. We chibesa. Bono kero no ne chiemse chimete no bwate weakness ya koiba.
Basi
eba goteka advantage yao igago cheke mambe saa 12 bataibeka ocho koma tatinda rengana ndibije wazo wintimide
oleta
amangana bono yatuka county te Quran there's no day county rakona ki era skumbutu asingencho intimidation eroro aibne mugaba na singencho nubwate weakness yobwe yoboibi intubuna tore abande to kwanda isiko intubuna tore abantu evijana mete we are proud njam one guy who is very proud ngimete ko very proud ngo proud gutakan obwero rimbre gutakana ki am coming county yetu ramne into yakorire rora chipara tubwate ya chire rora chinda rora industry tubwata aba reason ko very proud igo abantu baito bachande getobo no muntu yo mi victim yo butaka ni mete ngi abantu baiko uboro. My friend ubutaka nigentekebe ubutaka ina simegetiwe mete edinde rotambe rukuni wa mabutan nkore nsomere
kabisa
na bwata matemon mande mete yemene tubobenyeroje so ine history mbwate ana kyabantu bachandegete nje ningetere tororo bono butaka bodi borari kwa makonyora nende leaders beto mbaiko open up bayo create environment inde banya konya abantu abanya konya abantu batete bokonye in terms of kuba cash abantu abure Nyamira ne county yobure bono ntukuri county yobure mi abayibure to nobure batokora bategemete I create an environment ne kyo create an environment rosi chipar bono ibinde beyonce pi kwanda tore dipa ekwambodi ninki this is one of the reason hageta ngata njimne kichana igongo tenna defend county yeto asengencho egento kebeta Nyamira actually is leadership nene ngama watebega mokua. Okay, tubwate incumbent failed okore terribly zero in fact terribly zero in fact bona okora backwards bona negative. Okay, that's fine na utokumurusi nchabono no nda mnu mpiga kura Nyamira alternative nere ngachikuri alternative ngakenduru alternative bale batana ki nkoborial ebu manira peyeto ngata ngoborial ngakunga gireka
ebikone
ngagireka abande bonsipi ase listi babere totabe in Nyamira dynamics in terms of power in the leadership babere in different levels whereby abantu bambo tubwat experience bona experience na jenga nyora abantu abo including incumbent na abantu alternative nganyore skill babwat ni owibi
skill te babwat ni owibi
ni owibi babere the more babere ne power the only thing they can do better no kwe banyo the more ba manji kumanuva njimnande kumetano onda ingi bengwe bwata
ngikyo ngya
ase tingo nyara ngachikurikiro in campaign kari urita okay gantebe urita tunu turachora konye konje ikabora ibichana rende ngai urita yogote na bata nekiro kinekana njibuna bedine ngateba izita lero or never ngateba tindi kwanda gendo umuntu ase nchunde diverse nene nkota I talk about Nyamira County tindi kwa nona bukira ward tindi kwa na note mugira constituency west mugira constituency igo ngutete Nyamira e develop as a whole e package ngima ngateba ono I'm going for that seat mbe manage angase ku manage this problem ere Nyamira a problem ya corruption a problem ya lack of development a problem in actually the worst of all a problem of lack of new ideas and a problem ya just simple reasoning bono ngata bono tigante ne I have to do this myself because they can't do it our youth ba mate ya Nyamira ikire ba be resistance to problems yani ba be it's normal. They wake up in the morning, just check out table, it that's normal. Yani ingekuru mabantu.
Dora arwana siguri.
Yani tore etu nyanka waida tu akori we mechana paka. Ya bere na we have been conditioned isn't it? It's normal. Bono ngata it's not going to be normal. Abnormal is not going to be normal in our county. Rise up.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Bono ngwate banga most of the leaders kwa mpaka cho alternatives.
Yeah.
Na baibi.
Yeah.
Na kiaba nenji Nyamira abantu koraba kwa mininga ayego kwekwe kiroge boibi bumbuli kuchikobo
yeah
in just simple terms
asengencho one thing that the abantu Nyamira by the way no leto ndo bwensi gega no nyari bumu karansia aho tatanya ko mete ndege ko chikange chana in fact
Nyamira butambika kwani agotali kona gata anje besa county janya ko ibo
one ndege njanda ndege kibono no ninge karansi ko gasaba nanji bandigeretiga akangosoka asengenjo kusino na tayaba nyakinje tindi muibi okay of course tindi muibi lakini no nakiba bana nanji barakora banga because kuri muntu ukiri karansi reka kuri muntu de message TV obata yabi nambali tari ko lakini asokora ki oiba the only thing in ataya antara ki no gutwara hope njene kichana geka I have a long way to live ninde the future yane eche koba in fact in the history in transform Nyamira I don't care whether they will give me only 5 years no matter problem make one saga fight they will fight you but if I can change something nende bante na bono they will gang up banseri lakini so long as na tigre na bekire impact kite nende na bekire a foundation gete uyo go chance kutume ko bongo I'll be very happy I'll be home and dry lakini ngento na sako promise abantu Nyamira njenge ntukiandeta njino muntu moke sana ntukiandeta in fact karonde kijana iga leadership in fact you drive you crazy but nimbwata jinsa mbwata ku enjoy sahib ne kijana ngeko ki leadership bwansu mpoyo kuriki kure bwansu mpoyo you strain yourself and your resources and everything but bono ase jubata long way life to live na kinda teko so agari change everything erindende tamagana se ne tetu ngorpo engobororo ndete imetere kimunta kuburu kwanda nyakitari just konyora simple panadol takonya wa afford bon that's why ndete go so amari erinde tintuara etama nje tinga ni fakite tinanya wenjo igento montangeta kero korete gaswe kwerwanderete
ali kugubya
okuenjo
okora ya no bwaro
uri
nyama kwana nenya
lakini yibeto ukora na ibarambwa tabono
eminde
imbire ko babya but bon nere yembyane insoe inkonya abantu tekukikoibo ekibasa cyabataka
gwatha banga you are an American citizen and a Kenyan citizen as well bono na kubuliro mbaro abantu bacho rubugambi uyibairire bana America alafu mbaro bagutwara the sense of touch the ground mono asengencho yoko twara kwegemia the side of America so mabage say impact their life kerabara abantu abari na kubuli bono from your side ingito bantu expect kurwa sole
mukwa thank you so much. This one is a very important question. Besengencho I think you are the first person to come this story.
Oh, okay.
The reason to come this story because it's a question about on my social media. Kwenye mtandao comment. Tumaitime chando yetu.
Niko.
My friend, I was born in Kenya. I was raised in Kenya. I went through hell. Poverty ya Kenya. Imiaka from zero. That is from zero. Inside my mom's womb. Paka ngasoma primary. Ngasoma high school. School jina someta 75 chingi mwete is because of lack of school fees. Ngaende university ngonye strong T. Igatoni. Ngochekia. Ngwande phone book. A to Z. What text you montong? Ankonya no. In fact what montong ki 50. Anto no 50.
Yabeshi.
Yakini yabeshi? Imiaka yon spinach ande Kenya. I have the whole family ande no erega. Imechanda wa wetera. I have relatives. I have yani muntu nanza kotara timechanda ya Kenya. Number 2 abantu abange mo toko boga. Mate background yo muntu mbomete kwenye study. Muntu ausa ko chaji basi na wana usitimba na kita iswa yete kutakana mention na ki na America is like muntu te cat fan jamon you are America ko no. And want to partitura America by the way we hold mnaba gusiba ito tiambo nomba anto endo banda kumanya haba usibara America bange in fact ito go safa in America lakini inka tokonye
kabisa, which is true.
In fact
America go straight
nto ikurara lakini chibasanga ito gotomo gocha inka to gotoma weza ko gusiye ndo ya very stable is this resources chiri tu atamlo gotoma gocha gusi.
In fact America they play an important role as a economy ya gusi.
Lakini tutageti tuatake detail na tuanze kuara na wana America. America tujetio with your skills, with the spectacular skills, you know, you cheto because of lack.
Kabisa.
Correct. Most of people went there because of lack.
Ogoenda poko wako bina wa.
Njenda. Oyo njenda. Wana kwa chiro, we need to use advantages ya abantu baitu banka.
Yes.
Ntuba ko maybe tuache tuaberore tuabageche. Kwa bone mbate ntubate conflict ya bantu ba ase tuaberore mono. That's why gente to humbly requesting again. Did you part of the category of the people? Bali ba ko tubeka na America no ni ndete mo sacrifice se je bande ba feri ba chire kero kwa tano bwambi ko riginka ni nchuninka solve the problem cha bantu no whatever ni mbate license ya ne colleagues. All I want is to do the best ki na mongo nan colleagues yana you know asembata colleagues right lakini ndio kiamana impact kinche kwa korze sabantu baino.
That's true.
One reason yana. Yeah.